In this video, I'm about to compare Adobe Firefly and ChatGPT AI generation. Adobe Firefly and ChatGPT are two distinct AI tools, each with its own focus and capabilities in the realm of image generation. Adobe Firefly is designed specifically for creative professionals, providing tools for generating high-quality image and graphics based on text prompts. It excels in creating visually appealing designs, illustrations, and graphic elements, integrating seamlessly with Adobe's suite for creative applications. The pros of Adobe Firefly include its strong emphasis on design quality, user-friendly interface, and the ability to generate images that align closely with professional standards. However, its cons may include a learning curve for users unfamiliar with Adobe products, and potential limitations in generating highly abstract or imaginative images compared to more creative-focused platforms. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, primarily functions as conversational AI but also includes features for image generation through its DALL-E integration. While ChatGPT excels in engaging users with natural language interactions, its image generation capabilities are designed to complement its conversational skills. The strengths of ChatGPT include its versatility in generating image alongside text-based tasks and its ability to understand context through dialogue. However, its image generation may not be as focused on professional design standard as Adobe Firefly, and users might find its outputs less tailored for graphic design purposes. In my opinion, Adobe Firefly is best for creative professionals seeking high-quality designs output and seamless integration with Adobe tools, while ChatGPT is ideal for users looking for a versatile AI that combines conversational engagement with image generation capabilities. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.